If you're on a content or product team trying to tame the calendar chaos, you've probably looked at AI calendar assistants. Two of the frontrunners right now are Reclaim.ai and Clockwise. They both aim to give you time back, but their ways of doing that differ in interesting ways. Let's start with Reclaim. It's all about defending your time. You connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar, set your priorities, tasks, habits, focus time. And then the AI works behind the scenes to schedule everything. When things change, meetings get added, priorities shift, Reclaim's AI recalibrates your schedule, reschedules where needed, and makes sure your highest value work still happens. It also integrates across calendars, tasks, platforms, and habits, so you're not manually juggling dozens of tools. Now let's look at Clockwise. The core idea here is similar. Use AI to make your calendar smarter, but the focus is different. With Clockwise, you get intelligent scheduling, conflict resolution, and automatic blocks for deep work based on your team and individual preferences. They also recently introduced an AI assistant interface called Prism that lets you type something like "reschedule my afternoon" or "clear my Monday morning," and the tool will suggest or automatically shift time blocks accordingly. So Clockwise emphasizes fast, intent-based commands and smart team scheduling. For many content teams who spend part of their week editing, creating, and doing deep work, while also coordinating meetings and tasks, I lean slightly toward Reclaim AI because it appears to cover a more holistic scheduling approach. Meetings plus tasks plus habits plus buffer time in a focused way. But if your team is scheduling heavy meetings and needing flexible boundary-pushing automation, Clockwise might just be the smarter tool. If you like, I can pull together a feature matrix comparing Reclaim AI versus Clockwise for things like task support, meeting automation, free tier versus paid, collaboration, team features, so you can visually decide which is best. Would you like that?